Greetings, class. I'm going to talk to you for just a minute about main idea and supporting details. This is also sometimes called proposition and support. What this does is it presents a big idea or viewpoint and supports it with facts or details. In persuasive writing, it's called proposition and support because you propose an idea and you support it and you try to convince people to do this idea. Main idea, what the text, paragraph, section, or article is mostly about. The details is the evidence and facts that support or prove the main idea. There are no keywords or words to watch for because you're only watching for how the author organizes their text. Here's a graphic that helps explain this better. You have your main idea, and then you support it with a few details that prove your point. For example, if I wanted to tell you that roller coasters move in different ways, after I say that, then I would tell you that some roller coasters loop upside down, others twist and turn, and even more rise high and then drop. I might even give specific examples about how certain roller coasters at Six Flags do this. So as you can see, main idea and supporting detail is a little different than other text structures, because this one, you're not looking for keywords. You're looking for how the author organizes the text and tries to support or prove their main idea. Thanks. Bye.